goodness. This palace comes with 2 full-size kitchens. Oh my goodness. This palace comes with 2 full-size kitchens. It is a single-story house located in the 7 days 24 hours life security guard gated neighborhood. All decorations are designed by professional interior designer. Owner suite with sitting room. Plenty of space for everyone in the open floor plan. Nice size of den, office, can turn into a 4th bedroom. All furniture are negotiable for the buyer purchase. Gourmet kitchen has add-on open to large living room and family, custom upscale kitchen cabinets. Backyard with many fruit trees for immediate showing today. Please call the number 1 King of Las Vegas, Ramon Wu, 702-334-7767, and if you buy directly from me, I will refund you $500 more than the redfin.com. Credit for your escrow and title closing fees. Yes, you heard it right, $500 more than the redfin.com, which based on the sale price of $600,000. My credit back to you would be around $4,600, so what are you waiting for? Call me now 702-334-7767. Ask for Ramon Wu. Property address 1005 Genes Silver Street, Las Vegas, Clark County, Nevada 89145. USA. List price $599,888. MLS number 2014869. Property type residential. For sale, single family. Property size 2,640 square feet, 245.256 square meters. Land size 8,276 square feet, 769 square meters. 3 bedrooms plus den plus 2 kitchens plus 3 full baths. 2 rooms are masters. For immediate showing today, please call the number 1 King of Las Vegas, Ramon Wu, 702-334-7767, and if you buy directly from me today, I will refund you $500 more than the redfin.com. So call me now 702-334-7767. Ask for Ramon Wu. Property details: 2000 year built. Eastern exposure. Description of view. Development: Queensridge location. 1-story style. Resale condition. Community pool. Recreational features: microwave, cooktop, gas. Double built-in ovens, electric disposal, ceiling fan appliances. 1 number of fireplaces. Gas. Family room. Fireplace. Description: patio. Covered patio. Property features: man-made wood, laminate flooring, floors, window blinds, windows, city water, public sewer, underground utilities, central gas heating system, electric cooling system, desert landscaping, rock gravel landscaping, shrubs, front lawn, backyard fully fenced, front sprinkler system. Lot description: tile roofing, block wall fencing, tennis courts, exercise room, playground, clubhouse. Gated community, guard gated association. Community features description: parking, garage, 2 garage spaces, attached garage description: lot land information under 1/4 acre lot size. School information: Bonner John W. Elementary School, Sawyer Grant * Junior High School, Palo Verde. For immediate showing today, please call the number 1 King of Las Vegas, Ramon Wu, 702-334-7767, and if you buy directly from me today, I will refund you $500 more than the redfin.com. So call me now 702-334-7767. Ask for Ramon Wu.